guys. As you know, I was you don't know, but I was have a problem with some hackers, and they hacked my channel. I don't know why, but it's the third time they don't like me, but I don't know why really. And I didn't be in the solution to record you the last build. The last build, as you see, is moment 3. It's the build numbers you see is the 22621.1778. As you see, 22H2 on my PC, and what is about changes? There is no lots changes. We have changes, as you see in my see like a little toggle. It's like it's VPN on the Window Defender. Window VPN turn on, and we have on the what is new on the personalization. We go to personalization. Now as you see my seconds work. You don't need to go to Regedit, and as you see previously, if you watch my video, video before 2-3, I don't know, you will find on my channel, sorry, not video, you will find how to, if you don't have this taskbar and search box here, task view, chat, and here you will see it's open. Sorry. Taskbar behavior. Show second system tray clock. Use more power, but my power is 0. It's plugged in. It's closed. It's die. You can hide, but I don't use that. And it's on center. And that's what news. And we have some bug fixes, and about we have new voice access, as you see, but now my microphone is off. I don't use it, so that's what I will do now, and exit, and as you see, voice access. Just need to open, and nothing special for this, but it's more stability, and it's more stability on this version, and that's what is new. So guys, thank you for watching, and I'm a little disappointed, as you see on my voice, but sorry on that from my channel. It's YouTube, but they work, and I don't know why, but it's okay. Just if you're not go to how to check, I didn't say that on the beginning. Turn it on you get the latest update as soon the day available. I was update, but uh, it's have a date and time, but not matter now. Update history, I'll go now. As you see, 22, no, 5, 7, the May 25, it's an update, and just go to Windows Update and check your install, and everything is okay now. But so guys, thank you for watching, and bye.